Hello and welcome to our video tutorial of the Braillenote Touch. Today we're going to discuss all of the keys and their functions and get you oriented to all of the ports and other various functions of the Braillenote that you might need to know. On the face of the unit we have our regular input keys. Below that we have our cursor router keys, and directly below that we have our Braille cells. On the front of the unit we have our traditional thumb keys, as well as a group of new buttons. This arrow is the back button to go back one step in a menu. We also have a home button, which takes us back to the main menu, and we have a recent apps and or context menu button there, which is a square. On the left hand side of the unit we have our charging port, we have our screen off or power button, as well as the volume keys. On the back of the unit we have an HDMI port, an SD card slot, and a USB port. On the right hand side of the unit we've got our magic button and our microphone and headphone jacks. Where the Braillenote Touch gets its name is it has a touch screen. If we move to the left hand side of the unit, there's a little lip here that we can grab onto and flip the keyboard up to expose our touch screen. This touch screen allows us to do Braille input, and it is very sensitive in recognizing our fingers. If we lay our fingers down on the screen, it knows exactly where every finger is, and we can go ahead and start typing in touch Braille, which is very silent and efficient because you're not pushing keys down, you're simply touching a screen. This is a nice alternative to the rather noisy Braille keyboard. To turn the unit on, you press and hold the power button located on the left hand side for between 3 and 5 seconds. Our unit's in standby mode, so if I press the power button now, it will unlock.
Thursday, December 7th, 3:24 p.m.
It will read us the time and show on the Braille display that our unit is locked, and we press a U chord to open it up.
Device unlocked. Main menu.
The nice thing about the Braillenote is it's very similar to the Braillenote Apex. What I mean is the main menu is going to have all of the same options and is going to be very similar in navigation to the previous models of Braillenote. If I hit W for keyword,
Word processor.
it automatically jumps us to our keyword word processor, and I can hit enter now to open up keyword. So the first letter navigation is still there. The most powerful thing about this device is it is running on an Android operating system, which gives us the flexibility of downloading apps from the Play Store. This also comes with the KNFB reader built in. So if I show you the back of the unit, there's a camera located in the middle. So this unit is very powerful for taking photos and creating Braille documents from print instantly. There's so much more to this unit. We invite you to check out our other videos on the Braillenote Touch.